Welcome to this video. In this session, we will understand what link juice is and how it works in SEO. Link juice refers to the value or authority passed from one page to another through hyperlinks. It helps in boosting the rankings of the linked page. When a high authority website links to your site, some of its ranking power flows to your page. This shared value is called link juice. Not all links pass the same amount of juice. Factors like page authority, link placement, and relevance matters. Dofollow links allow link juice to flow to your site, while nofollow links block the flow. Both have different SEO uses. Internal links also pass link juice. Linking from one page of your website to another helps distribute authority and improves crawlability. When other websites link to your page, they pass link juice to you. More links from trusted sites means more juice and better SEO. To earn quality link juice, you should create valuable content, do guest posting, get featured in directories, earn mentions on high authority sites. Avoid getting links from spammy or irrelevant websites. Do not rely on quantity. Always focus on the quality and context of links. Link juice is one of the most important concepts in SEO. It helps search engines decide which pages have more authority and deserve higher rankings. Thank you for watching. For more SEO basics and advanced SEO tips, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.